How to find a name. If you don't know someone's buzz code, you can look up their name and then call them. To do this, start with the Find section. Here's the Find command, and directly below it is the button to get into that section. Now use the main keypad to enter the last name of the person you want to call. Like most phones, each number on the keypad has a few letters of the alphabet on it. For example, if I want to find the last name O'Grady, I'm going to enter O by pressing the 6 key, G by pressing the 4 key, and R by pressing the 7 key. And I'm going to keep spelling that last name letter by letter until I see on the screen that the system has found the name I'm looking for. If this doesn't work at first, or if you get an error message, you may need to enter the letters in the last name more quickly.